This is an incredible home. Everything's been done. Let me run you through some of my favourite features, including these timber floors, a lounge room that's a great size and air conditioned. I really love the look of this kitchen, but what's best about it is all the storage on offer. Each of the bedrooms are a very generous size, air conditioned with built-in robes. My favourite feature has to be the bathroom with freestanding bath. But that's not all. Callum's downstairs to show you around.
With a block base and concrete posts, this is a solid home. The 2-car carport connects to this kitchenette and bathroom setup, which makes for great entertaining. If our team can help you own this home in Park Avenue, get in touch. We would love to help you out.